My name is Adam Heist, and I wanted to drop a quick resounding testimonial for Brett and the FBA Excel team. I think as Amazon sellers, we really have two choices with our workflows. One is we have really time and labor intensive spreadsheets that we have to go in and manually update every day. And then on the flip side of that, we've got software, which is great for automation, but oftentimes leaves out the flexibility that aligns with how we operate our Amazon business. For me, FBA Excel provides the best of both worlds. The flexibility and customization of spreadsheets that fit into your business and your team's workflows, with the automations and elements of scale that software bring to the table. Brett's a seller first. He understands what we go through as we build our Amazon businesses. And as a result, he's built a suite of tools that is just frankly badass and great for 6, 7, and 8-figure Amazon entrepreneurs. We use it every single day. Thanks FBA Excel, you guys rock.